Everyone is talking about paid courses and expensive certifications, but what if I tell you companies like Google, Microsoft, Tata, and Deloitte are offering free internships in 2026? No experience, no payment, just skills. And in this video, I am going to show you how beginners like you, whether you are a student, college student, or even a working professional, can get real world internship experience, build strong resume, and earn certificates and swags too. And trust me, if you are starting from zero, this can literally change your career. So let's start with one by one. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel and share it with everyone. We are coming to the Deloitte internship, that is the first one, and how we have to complete all the challenges. So this is mostly related to the cyber security. Now what you have to do in this particular internship. So basically they'll be providing you some pre-recorded video and some questions which you have to attempt, and some of the hands-on labs will be there. You have to complete that particular course. You'll be getting a certificate and that you can add it to your resume. Coming to the second amazing internship, that is by Tata. You must have heard about Tata. So they are also providing a cybersecurity IM developer program where you're learning about practical security skills, solving real world problems, and much more. So here also there'll be some pre-recorded videos and some self-paced contents. Okay, there won't be any live sessions. You have to complete that particular internship, particular courses, and submit the projects, and you'll be able to get the certificate. If you need any help like how we have to complete all the things over here, you can just comment down. Based on the request, I'll make a detailed video how we have to complete these particular challenges. Mostly it will be some videos and some question answers. You have to just do it after watching the content. Okay. After that, we have another one. So if you're interested in data visualization, then this opportunity for you. So here also you can see what we have to do. You can see there are some tasks. Okay, they'll be providing you some scenarios, some videos, and some solutions like we have for all the previous sessions, like Deloitte and like for Deloitte and Tata cybersecurity. Okay, like this we have this one data visualization also. So here also you have to complete some of these courses. Okay, and you'll be able to get the patch. Now let's come to the another one, that is from Microsoft. So here Microsoft, some of the skills are completely paid, some are uh, free of cost. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to sign in with your Microsoft account, then you'll be able to find all these courses over here. Okay, so here you can watch it, and if you want directly, okay, if you want directly on demand training, you can just come over here and see multiple courses are there related to AI, Power BI, and Microsoft 365. Multiple courses are there. You can see all these are available for free of cost. You can just select it and watch it according to your requirement, according to your understanding also. Now, after that, we have another platform that is known as Google Skills. You must have heard about the Arcade program, which is learning, currently working also. So here you can just learn about more cloud skills that too free of cost. You'll be getting some cool swags, which you are seeing on the screen. And if you don't want swags, you can just explore the catalogs. Here we have paths related to cybersecurity, data AML, and multiple things over here. So whatever you like, you can just see over here. This was the important update. If you have still have any doubts, so let in the comment section. I'll just try to answer all your queries. Goodbye and have a great day ahead.